Tim Finstad.
Tim Finstad. He's out of Poynette, Wisconsin.
Another Wisconsinner.
And outside of Tim, would be the 7 car of Melody Welding, our girl power driver here in the short tracker division, as we're going to find out how she does this time around.
Melody's 6 in points, by the way.
Very good, Melody. Here they come, green flag, and we're racing. It's Russell and Stoltz out to a drag race. Russell with the hair lead over Stoltz. 4th and 5th place in points, battling for a win here tonight in this heat race.
Every heat matters. Only one that's won a heat out there, Shannon Stoltz and David Russell, currently 1st and 2nd. The other 2 have not, Finstad and Welding. David Russell continues to be out front. And the 55 of Shannon Stoltz. And Tim Finstad in that 33 car, creeping away up there. As the number 7 of Melody Welding.
I got a feeling Tim might be a Green Bay Packer fan with that green and yellow color car. I don't know. I didn't ask him during an interview, but Shannon Stoltz just about made a move there on David Russell Jr. for the lead. Come on, Melody. You're fading off into the sunset. Let's go, number 7. Here comes Stoltz to challenge Russell Jr. again for the lead. We are halfway through this race right now. So it's Russell, Stoltz, Finstad, and Welding.
Russell from Rockford, Stoltz from McChesney Park. And here comes Finstad in that 33. Running hard on that outside, too.
So Stoltz is feeling the heat from Finstad, as Russell might try to take advantage of it and pull it away. As Stoltz has definitely got his hands full with Finstad now, with 2 to go.
The question is, can David Russell Jr. hold him off in that 8 car?
White flag out. Russell, I don't know if he's gotten a heat win yet this year. Has he, Eric, do you know of?
Russell has a heat and Stoltz have a heat. The only 2 that have won heats on the track.
Here comes Finstad to look to Russell's inside. Whoa, hang on to it. Here we go. Is it going to be Russell or Finstad? It's going to be Russell Jr. with Finstad. Man, one more lap, Eric. I don't know if Finstad may have pulled that off with one more lap.
Yeah, he was creeping up there, doing a great job in that 33. Poynette, Wisconsin, T&S Customs, and that 95 Honda Prelude. But he is not the winner here tonight. It's going to be David Russell Jr.
No, David Russell, a happy camper. Not one since I've been out here announcing, so definitely a happy driver here in the Miller Lite American Short Tracker Division.
He's 5th in the points.
Sponsored by Extreme Express Transport, RMS Russell Motorsports, Windsor Auto Sales, Neighbors Bar and Grill. Please welcome the number 8.
And an 89 Ford Mustang.
Got to put the hat on. Got to have the hat on. Here he is. It's David Russell Jr.